this is Mike at Charles Mill Marina. What I have to show you today is Starcraft's EX24. It is a boat that can fit you and 12 of your friends on it for a weekend. Why don't you come on board and check out all of its awesome features. First thing you'll notice is this is a sports package with a nice accent panel and a stainless steel ladder. Once you get up on the boat here, you'll notice a nice layback seat where everyone can recline comfortably on it, and even a place to keep your drink while you're sitting. So we move on a little forward. You'll notice that there are two captain seats, so if it's just two folks out, they have a nice way to have a conversation between them. And finally, what we do have here is a changing room as well to get you out of those wet swimsuits after a day in the lake. So that's here for you also. We do have a variety of Yamaha motors in stock that we can pair with this, from a 90 horse all the way down to a 10 horse to keep you here at Charles Mill. If this boat looks like it might be something that you want for yourself, why don't you give me a call at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. Thanks, we'll see you soon.